How to record WhatsApp video call with audio. This is a step-by-step guide so you will have no trouble following. Now this is extremely simple. Once inside your device right here, all you have to do is to go ahead and find the recording setting. In my case, I'm using the iPhone device, so I'll just go ahead and navigate through the WhatsApp application. Once inside WhatsApp, you want to head over to a call, and from there we can now go ahead and do this step. Since I am already recording, I could not go ahead and technically show it to you guys, but all you have to do is to go ahead and find the record button right here, which is this one. Right after finding the record button, all you have to do is to go ahead and hold click on this button and a new window will appear. From there, you have to go ahead and select the microphone on, and you now have to click on start recording. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.